Keep it moving. Avoid endless recordings of things on flip charts when that's not needed. Don't let the discussion drag on for too long. I find the volume in the room gives you a good indication of when it's time to close out the activity and move on. Give a time limit. One tip is to give a little less time than is needed to create a certain sense of urgency. And you might announce the remaining time periodically without overstressing the learners. If it's clear that they aren't going to finish in the time allocated and they seem to be engaged and on task, you can always ask, who needs 5 more minutes? But don't overuse that tactic or your learners will tumble to the fact that you always give them more time and it defeats the purpose of creating urgency. And I have an old trick that worked well for me for many years. Whatever time I knew it would take, I always gave less time, usually about half. Learners got immediately on task and they focused on outcomes quickly. Then when the given time is elapsed, I'd check in with the groups and see if they needed time. They normally were enthusiastically requesting more time because they were so into getting to the outcomes that they didn't want to lose out. And that's the opposite of what I've sometimes observed when I'm watching classes where faculty give an unlimited amount of time or they don't say how much time it's going to take, and the learners sit there and waste a lot of time before getting on task. And then when they're asked if they want more time, they're normally very apathetic about the activity. So that sense of urgency can do a lot for creating some energy and some fun in the activity itself.